Hey y'all, it's Andreaallurebeauty, and this video is going to be a little different from my normal videos because I'm going to talk through exactly what I'm doing. It's going to be a super duper short, easy, quick, to the point video. So as you can already see, I already have one side done-ish. And I am going to start and show you guys how I did this side. You guys already know I am a 4C natural, so I already clearly cleansed my hair, deep conditioned, and I blow dried it. And when I blow dry my hair, the only thing I put in my hair when I blow dry it is a little bit of this shea butter. I like the Ashanti Naturals brand. Clutch. So that's the only thing I have in my hair is just that shea butter and nada. So, and if you are also a natural hair girl, if you guys have any things that you like to put in your hair that doesn't really weigh it down but still moisturizes it, please leave it below because I'm trying to find some new things to try in my hair. But anyway, as you see, I am starting just by braiding. And if you don't know how to braid, if you don't know how to cornrow, I should say, I can't help you with that. But I'm pretty sure it's a lot of videos on here that can assist you in your cornrow allergies or whatever you want to call it. But for those who can cornrow, all you're going to do is just cornrow your hair to the back. And when I cornrow my hair, especially since y'all know I have thin edges, whatever, I like to put the braid as close to my edge as possible just to kind of camouflage it a little bit, if you can understand that. But if you like to have your braids just going more straight back, do however you like. But for me, sorry y'all, let me turn around so y'all can really see. For me, I really like to try to put it as close to the edge of my hairline as possible. And I don't put any wax or like jam or anything like that when I'm braiding my natural hair, just because I know I probably won't have it in this style for long. Like I said, this is a real quick and easy style. So if I want to change my hair like in a day or 2 or 4, I like the fact that I don't have to like wash it all over again because I have a whole bunch of product in it. But anywho, I know I've been gone for a while, y'all. I'm so sorry, but January has been like the corniest month. And it's the first month of the year. Like, I don't understand. But in the beginning of the month, I was sick. I had the Rona. Definitely had the Rona. And I think it was the Omarion. But the first few days, about week of January, I was really, really sick. So I'm completely better now. Feel 100% better, but I've just been kind of like sluggish and lethargic and honestly lazy. So that's the reason I haven't really been posting anything, but I am definitely back at it. And I know I probably said that in my last video, but for real, I'm definitely back at it this time. Okay, so after you braid it about to your ear, about to the top of your ear, you are going to braid the actual hair that was cornrowed. Just braid the end of it a little bit. Don't keep cornrowing it down because you don't want it to still be connected to your head. So you see how I'm just braiding it down just a little, just so it doesn't unravel. And with that, you are going to take the rest of your hair, and I got my brush everything up. And again, like I said, I'm not keeping this style in for long. It's just something that I wanted to do just so that I can look somewhat put together. But in a couple of weeks, I'm going to a concert, so I didn't really want to like do my hair, and it not be fresh for the concert. So that's the reason why I'm doing this quick style. So I have 2 little black rubber bands, and I am going to rubber band my pony. Gonna brush it just one more time, making sure it's all together. And I usually put my rubber band on maybe 3 or 4 times. This was 4 times. I rubber band it around 3 or 4 times because I don't have like super thick hair, so I can do a lot more than the normal. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna do, as you see, I did my little edges on this side, even though I'm not going nowhere. But I feel like if you don't do your edges, it's not gonna, you won't get the whole look. And what I'm using on my edges today is the Murray's Edge Wax. And I actually used to use this a lot, but I stopped, and I don't know why, because it's really doing what it needs to do on this side. So I don't know, maybe I was just testing out other stuff. But like I said, I'm just putting it on my edges because I don't want it to be, I don't want a lot of product in my hair. And y'all already know I got the thin edges. Nah. I was gonna say I may put a little of the Murray's Black Wax, beeswax on my sparse sides, but I ain't even worried about that. So I got my little edge brush, and I am going to just gonna do a cute little swoop de doop. You know how I do. Like, it's not even, this ain't even like how I swoops normally. But like I said, I just wanted it to be a cute, easy video, cute, easy hairstyle. I like how I did them. I don't ever do them like this, but I may start doing them like this. Maybe it's the edge wax. Okay. And I just gonna get a little bit more, so I can do bottom. And I have to be really careful at the bottom because I have my piercing, so sometimes it gets, all the time, it gets in the way when it comes to this area. So I just kind of do it however I can do it without messing with my piercing. So yeah, y'all, that's about it. That is my, oop, I had a little whiteness right there, looking like discharge. Ew. So I am pretty much done. And I just wanted to show y'all a video. You know, my videos usually be like between 10 and maybe like 16 minutes. But lately, I personally have been over watching long ass videos. And when it is a long ass video, I fast forward it. So hopefully y'all are like me and y'all like, yeah, straight to the point. So yeah, this is pretty much it, y'all. I may I may put it in 2 buns at the bottom, but for now, like I said, since I'm not going anywhere, I'll probably just leave it like this. Cause this is, y'all, I got a mirror over here and a mirror right here. So I'm all over the place, but I guess this will do for now. It's good enough for work in the morning. So yeah, that's it, y'all. This is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please make your, y'all, please make sure you subscribe, because that makes me feel good. And that's the whole point of YouTube. You find people, oh, I like them. Subscribe. Ding, ding, ding. So I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.